Now, companies specific questions we are discussing. In the previous video, 3 questions are over. Now, in this video, question number 4. What is question number 4? 65% of a number is more than its 36% by 58. So, you have to analyze the data carefully. 65% of a number is more than its 36% by 58. What is 23% of the total number? You see the material. You practice through material only. So first to try to understand by listening the video, try to understand the concept, then go through the material and so try to find the answers it is. Now see here. So 65% of a number is more, definitely when compared with 36%. What is the difference between 65% and 36%? 29%. But it is how much different? How much more it is? 58. According to percentage, 29%. According to value, 58. So 29% value is 58. Now calculate 1% value. 29 ones, 29 twos. So 1% value be 2. Very clear it is. 1% value be 2. So what we require? 23% of the total number. 1% value is 2. What about 23% value? 23 into 2. How much? 46. So what is the answer? 46 is the answer. Now question number 5. A candidate who scores 30% fails by 5 marks, while another candidate who scores 40% marks get 10 more than minimum passing marks. The minimum marks required to pass are. So analyze the data. 2 students' data is given. One student got 30%, another student got 40%. But 30% who got fails by 5 marks means 5 less than the pass marks. Another student got 40%, he got 10 more than pass marks. So what is the difference of percentage in marks? What is the difference in percentage? 30%, 40%, difference is 10. According to percentage, difference is 10. But according to marks, be careful. One got 5 marks less to pass, another got 10 marks more. Suppose little bit, this is the pass marks. One got 5 marks less means here it is. 5 marks less. Another got 10 marks more means here it is, from here to here. So from here to here, what is the difference of marks? Less means minus 5. 10 minus of minus 5, 15 marks it is. What is the difference in marks? 15. Don't say 5. Difference in percentage is 10. Difference in marks is 15. 10% value is 15. If 10% value is 15, what is the total marks? What is the maximum marks? For how many marks the exam is conducted means you have to calculate 100%. 10% is 15. What about 100%? 150. So the exam is conducted for 150. So we require the pass marks now. Take any one of the students' data. I took the first student data, he got 30%. 30% of 150. How many marks he got? 30% of 150. 30 by 100 into 150. By cancellation, you get 3 into 15. 45 marks he got, but fails by 5 marks. He got 5 less than pass marks, means plus 5. Okay, so 3 into 15 plus 5. What is 3? 15 to 45 plus 5. 50. What are the pass marks here? 50 is the pass. Or if you take the second student data, also you get the answer. What is the second student data? 40% he got. 40% of 150, 60. Okay, 40% of 150. How much? 60. But he got 10 more than pass marks. So minus 10. 60 minus 10 is 50. Get the answer. So the pass marks are 50. It is take any one of the students' data. So you get the pass marks. It is. Now question number 6. If 10% of A's income equal to 15% of B's income equal to 20% of C's income. If the sum of their incomes is 7,800, find the income of B. So what is the clue given here? 10A is equal to 15B equal to 20C. All are cancelled with 5. 5 2s, 5 3s, 5 4s. So what you got? 2A equal to 3B equal to 4C. Immediately calculate A is to B is to C. What is A is to B is to C now? How can you calculate if 2A equal 3B equal 4C? Then what is A is to B is to C? To get A, close A. That is the shortcut. To get A, what you do? Close A and take the product of these two. 3 into 4, 12. To get B, close B and take the product of these two. 2 into 4, 8. To get C, close C and take the product of these two. 2 into 3, 6. So what is A is to B is to C now? 12 is to 8 is to 6 it is. All are divisible by 2. 2, 6, 2, 4. Okay. So 2, 6. So 2, 4, 2, 3 it is. So what is the ratio? 6 is to 4 is to 3. A is to B is to C equals 6 is to 4 is to 3. Now total is given, total income is given 7,800. Total means how many parts here? 6, 4, 3. 6 plus 4 plus 3, how much it is? 13 parts. So 13 parts value is 7,800. 13 parts value 7,800. What we require? Base income we require. 4 parts value, how much it is? 13 parts value 7,800 means what about 1 part value? By dividing 13 on both sides. 13 1, 13 6 it is. So 1 part value is 600. If 1 part is 600, what about 4 parts value? 4 into 600. What is 4 into 600? 4 6 are 24. 2,400. So what is base income now? 2,400 is the answer. So the remaining questions I will continue in the next video. But practice is very important. So practice the aptitude books it is. Thank you to all.